After magnetic flux, we will know the experiments of Faraday and Henry to understand EMI. Though to understand EMI, a series of experiments carried out by Faraday and Henry, but mainly we will deal with the three experiments. One is current induced by a magnet, another current induced by a current, and third current induced by changing current. Now the first, that is current induced by a magnet. Here we can see a solenoid and a bar magnet. Whenever there's a relative motion between the coil and the magnet, the galvanometer shows the deflection. Once again we can see the deflection in the galvanometer. Thus we can say the magnetic flux linked with the coil changes relative to the position of the coil and the magnet. So an EMF is induced. So it is the relative motion between the magnet and the coil which is responsible for generation or induction of electric current. Another one, let us say the two coils in which in one galvanometer is connected and in another a battery is connected. So we are going to now current induced by a current. Here, when the current carrying coil moved towards a stationary coil, we can see the deflection in the galvanometer. Means in the second coil which contains galvanometer, the current is induced. So we can see due to relative motion between the coils that induces electric current. Now third is current induced by changing current. Here let us see. Earlier we have seen either one are in relative motion, either magnet or the coil. Here say a coil containing battery, a key, but here the off, key is in off mode, another coil connected with the galvanometer. When the switch is on, there is a deflection in the galvanometer. But after some time, so whenever key is pressed, galvanometer show momentary deflection. If key remains pressed continuously, then there is no deflection in the galvanometer. Again, see when it is off, there is a deflection in galvanometer, but in opposite direction. So we can say changing current in one coil induces a current in nearby other coil. So when switch is on, current increases in this coil from 0 to maximum. So here flux linked with this coil changes, and again when it is off, current decreases from maximum to 0. So there's a flux linked with this coil, it changes. So when I changes, B will change because B equal to mu naught Ni. Thank you.